Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Riot client. First, you need to right click on your taskbar here and you will find the task manager option. Click on it and go to your task manager, and here you can see my Riot client is already running in background, but you can find Riot client by clicking on R key of your keyboard. And once you found your Riot client like this, just click on your Riot client and click on this end task button. By this, the Riot client will stop working in background of your PC. After that, you just need to simply open your Riot client. Also, you can search for it, then click on it, and it will ask you for the permission for reinstallation. For some security purpose, the screen is black. Sorry for that, guys. And after the installation process, you can open the Riot client, and that's mean the Riot client is successfully restarted in your PC. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon. We'll get back to you soon with another informative tutorial video. Thanks for watching. Till next time.